Welcome to the tutorial for the Linked Treble Crochet Stitch. It's a beautiful stitch that can replace the regular treble crochet in any pattern, and it removes the gaps between the stitches. So start by pulling up a loop from the second chain from the hook, then from the next chain, and another time from the next chain. You now have 4 loops on the hook, then yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. You've now finished the first link treble crochet, and you've done the start chain. Start by identifying the horizontal bars. It's 2 of them. So a little bit closer, you can see the horizontal bar there and there. So start by inserting the hook into the first horizontal bar and pull up a loop, and into the second horizontal bar and pull up another loop, and then working to the next chain and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on the hook, then yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2, as you would finish a regular treble crochet. And you can see the 2 first stitches done. Find the horizontal bar and pull up a loop. Repeat that. Find the next horizontal bar and pull up a loop. Then work into the next chain with 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. I forgot to tell you that you can chain any number, because this isn't a stitch with multiple, and you can make it as wide as you like. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Go into the first horizontal loop and pull up a loop, go into the second horizontal bar and pull up a loop, and then into the next stitch. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. Repeat that until you reach the final stitch on the row, and then you are going to finish up with a regular stitch in the last row. So find the horizontal bar for the very last time on row 1 and pull up a loop, and then in the second horizontal bar, and then into the final chain. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. And this is the first row done, and this is how it looks. And all you have to do now is turn and start row 2. Row 2 is the row you're going to repeat, so I'm going to show you how to start off and do the first stitch. You chain 3 stitches, then work into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop, and then the third chain to pull up a loop, and then the final stitch from the previous row. So pull up a loop from the second chain, pull up a loop from the third chain, and then work into the very last stitch you made on the previous row and pull up a loop. And yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2, and you've done the first linked treble crochet on the second row. Find the horizontal bar again 2 times, and then work into the next stitch and finish off the second linked treble crochet on row 2. And this is how it looks. The horizontal bar and pull up a loop, another time horizontal bar and pull up a loop, then find the next stitch and pull up a loop, and finish off by yarning over and going through 2 3 times. Across row 2, and I'm going to catch you at the end and show you how to finish off the second row and how it looks after you've done 2 rows. Make sure you work into the last stitch, find the horizontal bar, and pull up a loop, repeat again, and then work into the final stitch, yarn over and go through two and finish off the final linked treble crochet. And this is how it looks after you finished 2 rows of the linked treble crochet. Thank you so much for watching this Joe Motion Crochet tutorial. Have a nice day.